Ay, na sila wrestling event dari. Funny kayo. Kay kanang udtong tutok mag-wrestling. Hi! Oh. Oh. Hello ever guys.
You're vlogging again?
Yes sir. So, ano sad mi? Naglaag-laag na sad mi. Kay ngano, na festival karon nga mga tuan. Which is naana day mi diri. Ang name sa festival kay Cherry Festival.
Fiestival?
Yes, festival, whatever.
You said fiestival.
Festival it is. Let's go. So kay it's summertime, so why not? Maglaag-laag mi kay summertime kay sunod ani wala na ni.
And there's ice cream.
Look na raw.
Is the other one? It's hard.
Look at for you. Magkano tao eh. Yeah. Hey, look. Saan na adre be?
I don't need to lose you.
Yeah, I saw you.
Ang na to, sold na.
Ang
Okay, so I have $5.
Local wrestling action.
They even have a bouncy house here, and it's like for free.
it's not for free. It's like the same like the carnival. Yes, we will go there. Mag-ato ta dito later. Mag-ato ta. Ay, na sila wrestling event dari. Funny kayo. Kay kanang udtong tutok mag-wrestling. Hi! I think muna sila ang mga player. Muna sila ang player sa wrestling. See, para siya Here's the big show!
Papa, look! Right!
All right.
Fire!
That's what I'm talking about, Kitchener!
Oh. Oh wow. Nagreklamo siya, i-pull daw yung hair. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh, nice, nice of you. Hi, Boyo. Boyo. I'm here. I'm here. Ah, okay.
Lagi dalam ito pa ang akong mask.
Drive it, Boyo.
Do you really want to see it? Yeah. People in the cheap seats, do you want to see it?
Yeah!
Yeah. I see you there, Fedora hat, throwing up your hands. Good. Okay, kids, adults, are we ready? People who have beards, are we ready? Yeah. People who have afros, are we ready? Yeah. I think that's an afro, like you have there, sir. Like you have that. Check out my hair. Okay, this is it. Watch. And again, do not try this at home. Do it at school next summer, next school year. Okay, anyways, this is it. Are we ready?
Tulog ng sword break. Ay, ay, ay.
So when I pull this out, seems like we're having a good time. It's my favorite jacket.
Yay!
Thank you.
Nice.
I know. Just tears.
Ngi, ang dahon kay green man ang dahon. Ang green oh. Ang iya, ang leaves. Green man ang leaves.
You can't play nice.
Na. Reward sa kainit. Lamig be? Unsay flavor? Ha, paminaw mo unsay flavor?
It's cherry cheesecake.
Cherry cheesecake. Mo can I have some? May tilaw ko be? Mmm. Miyaw eh. May more pa be? Hindi ka be? Hindi pa ba? Meon. Thank you. Lamig siya kay nagyud siya kuan na siya cherry gyud. Ano? Okay, ay wait, asa dapat. Kana. Nagyud siya cherry. Tinuod nga cherry. Lamig kayo. Uli na mi. Uli na to.
What's up?
Ato na ta balay. Kay
What's that?
bike, I don't know.
Look,
Oh, si Olaf. Si Olaf.
on Olaf.
Uli na ta. You want Olaf?
Yeah.
Nari ka money.
Yeah.
Pag sure mo. Na bye-bye. Na bye-bye. Uli na mi.
Why?
Mag-grocery.
Ito ninong one.
Ha?
Ito ninong one.
Ato tanin ninong ram?
Yeah.
Kato di ka sa ilaha di ay.
Yes.
Pag sure oy layo man to good.
Wala oy.
Wala siya pula oy. Nauli na ta ha. Ninong ram, uli na mi ha. Dili na mi anas inyong balay, okay?
Please, please.
Ha?
Please.
Layo kitila balay oy.
What I want.
But you want it? Ay. Okay. Mag-groceries at tayo. Magpalit ta og mga lutoon. Kaya magluto ta og panihapon.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, see ya later.
No.
Yeah,
No.
see ya later. See ya on our next vlog. Bye-bye. Tambuni ang kamera. Tambuni.
Which one?
Kano. Tambuni ang kamera. Ang kamera, tambuni.
Why?
Tambuni. Kano ba tambuni? Kano kanong dat o tambuni ang kamera. Okay, bye-bye naman ta. Tambuni. Na. Muni. Wala pa na tambunan. Tambuni.